This is far from over. I know many of us would like this to be over, and I know many situations are seeing positive signs, but it is far from over. And we need to shore up our activities. We need to build up the activities in the infrastructure that is not in place in many countries and continues to not be in place in many countries. And while I don't want to focus on the negative, I want to focus on the opportunity to build this workforce, build this infrastructure that isn't in place in most countries. And unfortunately, we've seen that in many countries. We're talking about the workforce of public health professionals who can carry out contact tracing. We're talking about trained medical professionals who have adequate training in respiratory diseases, specifically for COVID-19, but for infectious diseases. Looking at supplies, making sure that we have adequate personal protective equipment for every health worker on the planet that needs it. We're talking about treatments and effective, safe and effective treatments for COVID-19 and for emerging respiratory pathogens. We're talking about vaccines. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and we need everyone to remain focused on achieving the goal at hand, which is stopping this pandemic, which is suppressing transmission and saving lives, and there's a lot more work to do. So let's celebrate the successes that we do have, but let's remain focused on the remaining work that needs to be done, because unfortunately this is far from over.
Thank you very much. We will go now to Uganda Network Radio. We have Pamela Mawanda with us.